Hi everyone, and welcome to another one of our help videos on the D-TRO Digital Traffic Regulation Orders beta project. This one is all about getting all of the D-TROs that are in the service. Now, there's been several iterations of this over time, but we have a current one which actually enables you to download the entire contents of all orders in a comma-separated value CSV file. For this one, we suggest that before you start, and I'm going to be using Postman here, that you watch our other video about importing a Postman collection and getting your system up and running to work with D-TRO. So I won't be doing that in this video, but we do have another video. We'll put a link at the end of this one that takes you to that video. The collection has been recently updated. It means that it points to the correct form of Get All D-TROs, and let's get on with it. Okay, so I'm in Postman. I've got the D-TRO production collection. As I say, you can download that from our website. I've also got a valid token, and we're up and running. So Get All is within the D-TROs part of the API, and Get All D-TROs is now at /D-TROs/all. Previously, it was a slightly different address, and that was causing errors for some people because they were trying to still locate the old endpoint. So make sure you're in /D-TROs/all. You've got a valid token and that your system is correctly configured. What this does is it runs a query, and at 2 a.m. every day, we are creating a big Google API, Google Cloud Project file bucket into which a comma-separated value file is dropped. So it doesn't have to actually generate this on the fly when your request is made. Just note that if you're making this request at, say, 6 p.m. on the day, you will be retrieving files up until 2 a.m. that day. This is just for operational reasons. We think it's a reasonable compromise to let you get the backlog, but not absolutely every order. So here, this is successfully run on my computer here. You can follow the link. And this prompts you to save a file, a comma-separated file, in whichever folder you want to do. And that's it, really. Comma-separated file at the moment, as of the end of October 2025, is approximately 230 megabytes. With approximately 30,000 orders in the service. We are continually reviewing the Get All process. If, as and when the service grows, and we do expect it to go into the hundreds of thousands, this slows anything down, we will keep it under review and we'll get back with an updated method. But for this should be working for at least the near future, and is the preferred method in how you should retrieve all the orders in the service. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to look at our other video about Postman collections and to like and subscribe on our channel, the Digital Traffic Regulation Orders playlist on the DFT Street Manager YouTube. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.